How to make money on Etsy by selling digital products. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money by selling printable chore charts for kids. So let's get started by taking you in a few steps of how you can make money by selling this product. But first, I'm going to show you some examples of this product on Etsy.com. Then I'm going to introduce you to a spying tool that is going to help you to confirm if this is really a winning product or not, and if it really deserves to spend time on or not. And also this spying tool is going to help you in the future when you are looking for more winning products, and also when you find a shop that you want to spy on, see the revenue that they are making, the sales that they are making, and also to see the winning products that are making them the most amount of money. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own digital products using canva.com without the need of paying anyone to create the product for you. So here, let's start by showing you some examples of this product. So let's wait for it to load, and here you will be able to see a lot of examples of the product. But first, let's wait for it to complete loading in order to show us the ones that are popular right now. These ones here are only sponsored by Etsy. As you can see, add by Etsy seller, add by Etsy seller. So all of these ones in the front line are sponsored. So let's wait for the ones that are popular right now to pop up, like these ones here. Shore, core chart, printable, editable daily and week, editable kid core charts, reward and allowance. So here let's click on wait, and let's wait for it to complete loading. And here we are, we have the ones that are popular right now. Let's choose one of these. Let's choose this one here, for example. Let's choose this one here. It seems like a good product. Let's choose that one, wait for it to load. And here guys, I'm going to talk a little bit about the differences between digital products and physical products, and the reason that made me choose to work on digital products instead of physical products. So guys, in physical products you will have to deal with a lot of problems, starting with managing your stock, always looking for somewhere to get the product from, always looking for someone to ship the product for you, someone to store or restore the product for you, and also always worrying about running out of stock of the product, packaging the product, and always you will have to consider paying for the returns and the refunds as well. But in the other hand, we have digital products in here. The only thing you would need to worry about is creating the product, then listing it on Etsy. After that, people will just come to Etsy.com, and whenever they buy the product, you will get the money to your bank account. You will not need to check if the product runs out of stock, because it's just a file and it will always be in your Etsy shop. And also there are no returns and refunds when it comes to digital products, because you didn't ship or deliver anything to them directly. You didn't deliver any physical product that you can get, or that the client can return to you to get the money. And also, if they ask for a refund, there is no way to confirm that they removed the file from the laptop to send them the money back, because of that there are no returns and refunds, which means digital products are the best products that you can work on with less stress and less problems. So here, let's take the name of this shop in order to see if this is really a winning product or not, using everby.io, which is the tool or the spying tool that I have talked about in the beginning. So let's wait for it to load, and here we will go with sign up for free. As you can see, best selling items on Etsy. Let's wait for it to complete loading, and you see that this tool is very helpful. It will save you a lot of time, and also it will help you make a lot of money. So here let's choose the shop analyzer tool for today, and let's wait to load, and we will type the name of the product or of the shop in here in order to see the insights of this shop, and also in order to see if this is really a winning product that worth spending time on or not. So here let's wait for it to load, and they have approximately, or they have more than a thousand products on their Etsy shop. And here if we go this way, you will see the shop's age 40 months, and here you will have the total shop sales, more than 100,000 sales over 40 months, which means a lot of money that these people have made in 40 months. So here let's scroll down until we find the products we are looking for. So here, as you can see, they are only working on digital products, whole shop bundle, daily planner, weekly meal planner, monthly habit tracker. So only digital products, which means there are a lot of money in working with digital products. So here let's scroll down to see the product we are looking for, and detailed monthly planner, workout tracker, password, monthly bill, 365-day weight tracker. So we need to find the core chart, kids and adults. So here it's very hard to find products on their listings, because they have a lot of products listed, and also a lot of the products that they have listed are all making a lot of money. So here we can just choose a product on the top, just to show you the example of how you can see if this is really a winning product or not. So let's choose this one here, for example, or we can choose this one, this daily planner. And if this one is really a winning product, I'm going to show you how you can create one like that. Daily planner, weekly planner, it costs $3. It was listed 34 months ago, and they have made more than 1,000 sales with it, because based on the reviews you can guess the amount of sales, because half of the people that buy the product leave a review. So you can just do the math. The reviews times 2 gives us the sales, so that means they are making 30 sales per month with this product, which means a very lucrative product. So let's just close this one here, or let's open it again to take the name of this product to show you how you can create one like that using etsy.com, or we can just remember the name, and let's go to canva.com, which is where we are going to create a product like that for ourselves. So here let's wait for it to load. Daily planner, and we will just type the name of the product, daily planner, click on search, and here it will give us a lot of daily planner templates that you can use in order to create your own product. Just make sure to make some changes to it, then list it on your Etsy shop. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.